If your Waterpik toothbrush won't turn on, the issue is usually power related. Start simple. Make sure the charger is working by testing a different wall outlet or USB port. If possible, try another charging cable. Many cordless models require a steady 5-volt power source, and even a weak adapter can prevent startup. Next, check that the handle is sitting correctly on the charging base. Clean the metal charging contacts with a dry cloth to remove toothpaste residue or mineral buildup. If the brush hasn't been used in a while, the battery may be deeply discharged. Place it on the charger and leave it there for a full 24 hours without interruption. You can also try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while it's connected to power. If it still won't respond, inspect the charging port for corrosion and gently clean it with isopropyl alcohol. Over time, lithium ion batteries lose capacity, especially after 2 years of daily use. Signs include very short runtime or no charging response at all. In that case, repair or replacement may be the most practical solution.